Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Gemini AI extensions. So if you want to connect Gemini with Google apps like Gmail, Drive, and YouTube for more powerful results, just follow along. First, open the Gemini app on your phone and sign in to your Google account. After that, tap on your profile icon or go to settings. Next, look for the extensions option and tap on it. Here you'll see different Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Maps, YouTube, and more depending on your region. Now toggle on the extensions you want to use. Once enabled, you can start asking Gemini to work with those apps. For example, you can say, summarize my unread emails in Gmail, or find files in my Google Drive about my project. You can also ask things like, search YouTube for tutorials on Excel, or show nearby restaurants on Google Maps. After enabling extensions, Gemini becomes more powerful because it can access and use information from your Google Apps directly. So that was how to use Gemini AI extensions easily. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.